Hello everyone. In this video, I discuss about multiplication tips and tricks. So let's start. Here is 97 times 17. So first of all, I can say here is 9 and here is 1. 9 times 1 equal to 9, and you all time add here second digit 7. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, and you gave two digit in this place. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. This is the answer. So again, I can see easily 9 times 1 equal to 9 and plus 4. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, and we know that 4 times 4 is equal to 16. This is the answer. Again, I can say here is 98 times 18. So 9 times 1 equal to 9, and here is 8. So plus 8, we know that 9 plus 8 equal to 17, and here is 8 and 8. 8 times 8 equal to 64. This is the answer. And again, here is 92 times 12. So I can say 9 times 1 equal to 9. Here is 2, so plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. And now 2 times 2 is equal to 4. We know that here is 2 digit. So here is 4 and here is 0. And here is 84 times 24. So 8 times 2 is equal to 16 plus 4. So 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. This is the answer. 85 times 25. It's your task. Okay. Now I want to discuss about when you can follow these tricks. You can follow these tricks this time. Like I want to say about like 72 times 32. What is the value? This time you can follow this multiplication tricks where this digit are this digit same. This time you can follow these tricks, and all time first digit are first digit. When you are add, you find out 10. This time you can follow these tricks. I mean, all time first digit and first digit when add, you can find out 10. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 7 sevens are equal, same. 9 plus 1 equal to 10, and 4 4 same. So this time you can follow these tips and tricks. Thank you all.